Okay, it looks like we're live. Welcome everybody to my first live stream. I'm a work from home web developer. My goal with this series is just to demonstrate how to use tools to build websites for small businesses. I'm going to use a variety of tools in order to build a custom, or not a custom, but a custom website for a in-home daycare service. I'm going to utilize some tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, WordPress, along with a custom WordPress theme that I've developed called Lead Gen Press. So I guess without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and just get started. This is my first live stream ever. I'm sure there's going to be lots of mistakes, probably lots of meandering, and all that stuff. But yeah, my goal is just to share how to develop and create small business websites. And with that in mind, I'm going to go ahead and get started. All right, so like I said, the goal here is to create a small business website for a local in-home daycare service. And I'm going to go ahead and start utilizing ChatGPT to help me out with that. I've got a document here, got a little bit of info that I put together already, but I'm going to give ChatGPT an initial prompt that's going to help it better create content and answer questions for web development along the lines of childhood daycare. So my initial prompt, I'll put this in the description as well, is just going to be, I want you to take on the role of a digital marketing and SEO expert in order to help me create a website for local in-home daycare that ranks on Google and converts users. The daycare offers early childhood development learning throughout the day. Additionally, you are a subject matter expert in the field of early childhood development, and I want you to use that expertise to help create the website. Before giving me a response, consider all your expertise and revise your response if necessary before giving it to me. Do you understand? So this prompt is just going to help prompt the ChatGPT bot to focus on a specific area and act as an expert, and it just helps get better results. So I'm going to go ahead and drop this into ChatGPT, and we can get started. All right, so I've got a blank bot here. So I am using ChatGPT 4, which is the paid version. But you could very well do this with ChatGPT. Throughout this process, I'm going to be using a variety of tools, some paid, some not. I'll try to mention whether or not they're paid throughout the build process. But and with a lot of them, I use the paid version, but there are free versions, so you can do most of the stuff with free versions. All right, so this bot is going to take on the role. It's going to spit out a little bit of information that absolutely I understand. To create a website for a local in-home daycare that not only ranks well on Google, but also converts visitors. Okay, comprehensive strategy. So it's going to consider lots of different things: keyword research, SEO, early childhood development. I think as a parent myself of a young child, when searching for daycares, we definitely wanted to look for one that was more than just kids sitting around playing, but actively learning. So user experience and design, technical SEO, ongoing analytics. Okay, so I think we just go ahead and start by saying, asking for a sitemap. What pages it recommends that we create. All right, so we're just going to ask it to generate a sitemap, basic description for each page, and a bullet list of sections. This is just going to give us a basic idea of pages that we want to create and some of the content that could go on those pages. We'll use this just to start as a basic recommendation, and we'll probably just modify, add, and remove some stuff as we go. Contact us. Okay, so homepage, obviously, about us. Good place to tell your story, show team bios, yeah. Programs with early childhood development. Talk about age groups and programs that are utilized. Parent resources. Yeah, this is great. When looking and searching for this stuff, this is all stuff that parents would want to know. Also, just help us rank on Google when parents are searching for these types of things. Testimonials. We might put this on the About page, or maybe still separate, but maybe we embed a testimonial or two throughout the page. Contact us, FAQ. Yeah, we'll definitely want to have some type of FAQ and maybe utilize FAQs throughout some pages as well. Okay, so let's go ahead and take this and we're just going to go hop over to our tool Figma and start to create a sitemap in here. You'll see I was just playing around with a few things earlier, but let's go create a new page here in Figma. Do a sitemap, and I'm just going to go ahead and paste that content that I copied. Go ahead and make a rectangle here and bring this to the forefront. Okay, so for each of these pages, I just wanted to drop it in here to Figma, and this is going to kind of be our hub of all things website related, where we plan and do a lot of design work and all that stuff. So we're just going to make this a little bit bigger. All right, so now that we've got this, just do a little border along the edge too, since it's not created or still kind of a work in progress. Maybe we'll just give it a nice orange, maybe, oops. Okay, looks a little bit better. Try to keep an eye on the chat or anything if anybody actually hops in here, but I pretty much expect it just to be me in here the whole time. So if I miss your chat, I apologize. But I would try to catch anything in the comments later on. Okay, so I'm going to make this a little bit bigger as well. Okay, I think this is pretty good basic setup. Oops. And there. Okay, so now we can zoom out a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and Control Alt G and just group these together as a home page. Okay. right, now that we've got this home page created, I'm going to go ahead and just duplicate this and start to bring in some of that additional page content from ChatGPT again. So I might copy this separate just so I can paste a little bit easier. Let's see how this paste works. Yeah, this will work. Okay. Okay, again, this is just an initial sitemap. We'll, I'm sure, change this around a little bit and add and remove stuff as we go. Programs. Looks like my camera here died on the live stream. For me, let me see if I can get this fixed. Don't see any option there. Apologies, I'm frozen here if you're looking at it. Sorry guys, I'm over on the other screen trying to solve this issue. Okay, I'm just gonna try something here. I'm not sure what's gonna happen. But if I remove this and try to add it back in. Tried to remove the video capture device and then add it back in, but this doesn't seem to have restarted. Okay, device webcam. All right, I'm not seeing a way to resolve this. Try to reset the properties maybe. Okay guys, well, apologies, this is kind of a bummer to happen in the middle of the first live stream. not seeing any solution. This virtual camera. Okay, I tried to start a virtual camera. Honestly, not quite sure what that would do, but just trying to figure this out here on the fly. Okay, short of restarting this, I'm not quite sure how else to solve it. Okay, well, I think I'm gonna have to go ahead and let me check one last menu. I don't want to give up on this yet. Alright guys, apologies. I'm gonna shut this down and restream, just pick up from where I left off. I don't know if this is going to be reoccurring, something I'm going to have to solve, but anyway, I'm just going to keep pushing on. I'm mostly just doing this for myself anyway.